Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360. In this video we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 45, topic Food Packaging and Storage. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Paperboard and polystyrene have options A. High thermal conductivity, B. No thermal conductivity, C. Low thermal conductivity, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Low thermal conductivity. Question number 2. Package used to facilitate the handling of tertiary package is called options A. Primary package, B. Secondary package, C. Tertiary package, D. Quaternary package. Correct answer D. Quaternary package. Question number 3. Package functions as a options A. Public salesman, B. Silent flavor enhancer, C. Silent consumer, D. Silent salesman. Correct answer D. Silent salesman. Question number 4. Oxygen permeability of package is an important function for packaging of options A. Beverages, B. Dairy products, C. Fruits and vegetables, D. Processed products. Correct answer C. Fruits and vegetables. Question number 5. MAS stands for options A. Modified atmospheric system, B. Modified air system, C. Modified atmospheric source, D. Modified atmospheric storage. Correct answer D. Modified atmospheric storage. Question number 6. MFPO stands for options A. Meat food products order, B. Meat fowl product order, C. Meat fruit product order, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Meat food products order. Question number 7. LLDPE stands for options A. Long low density polyethylene, B. Laminated low density polyethylene, C. Linear low density polyethylene, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Linear low density polyethylene. Question number 8. LDPE used in overwrapping of meat should have options A. 70 gauge, B. 100 gauge, C. 150 gauge, D. 200 gauge. Correct answer B. 100 gauge. Question number 9. Lacquering of cans helps in options A. Preventing can from shock during transportation, B. Providing mechanical strength, C. Preventing cans from discoloration, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Preventing cans from discoloration. Question number 10. In controlled atmospheric storage, the carbon dioxide should be dash percentage. Options A. 2 to 5%, B. 5 to 8%, C. 9 to 11%, D. 13%. Correct answer A. 2 to 5%. Question number 11. How much cellulose is present in the cell wall of softwood? Options A. 20 to 30%, B. 50 to 54%, C. 30 to 34%, D. 40 to 44%. Correct answer D. 40 to 44%. Question number 12. Impact, vibration or dash hazards. Options A. Chemical, B. Storage, C. Environmental, D. Transportation. Correct answer D. Transportation. Question number 13. Greaseproof paper is resistant to options A. Oil, B. Grease, C. Both oil and grease, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Both oil and grease. Question number 14. Glassine paper has options A. Smooth surface, B. Transparency, C. High density, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 15. FPO stands for options A. Food Product Order, B. Foods Product Organization, C. Food Products Organization, D. Food Product Order. Correct answer A. Fruits Product Order. Question number 16. Fillers improve opacity, brightness and gloss of paper. Options A. Calcium sulfate, B. Calcium carbonate, C. Aluminum silicate, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 17. FFS package stands for options A. Fold fill seal, B. Fold file seal, C. Form file seal, D. Form fill seal. Correct answer D. Form fill seal. Question number 18. Expand AGMARK. Options A. Agriculture Grading and Marking Act, B. Agriculture Grading and Marketing Act, C. Agriculture Grading and Modernization Act, D. Agriculture Grading and Marking Act. Correct answer B. Agriculture Grading and Marketing Act. Question number 19. Every commodity in packaged form should bear upon it. Options A. Net quantity, B. Number of commodities contained, C. Sales price, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 20. EOPO stands for options A. Edible Oil Preservation Order, B. Edible Oil Processing Order, C. Edible Oil Packaging Order, D. Edible Oil Pre-Treatment Order. Correct answer C. Edible Oil Packaging Order. Question number 21. CMC, a surface seasoning agent, stands for options A. Carboxymethyl cellulose, B. Chloromethyl carbon, C. Chloromethyl cellulose, D. Carboxymethyl chloride. Correct answer A. Carboxymethyl cellulose. Question number 22. Edible Oil Packaging Order EOPO came into existence on options A. 1955, B. 1994, C. 1986, D. 1998. Correct answer D. 1998. Question number 23. CAS stands for options A. Controlled Air System, B. Controlled Atmospheric Simulation, C. Controlled Air Source, D. Controlled Atmospheric Storage. Correct answer D. Controlled Atmospheric Storage. Question number 24. Carry bags are made from simplest plastic polymer dash. Options A. Polyvinyl chloride, B. Polystyrene, C. Polyvinyl adenine, D. Polyethylene. Correct answer D. Polyethylene. Question number 25. Carbon dioxide in MAP has which of the following property? Options A. Bacteriostatic, B. Fungistatic, C. Both bacteriostatic and fungistatic, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Both bacteriostatic and fungistatic. Question number 26. At what temperature annealing of glass is done? Options A. 440 degrees Celsius, B. 340 degrees Celsius, C. 240 degrees Celsius, D. 540 degrees Celsius. Correct answer D. 540 degrees Celsius. Question number 27. BIS stands for options A. Bureau of International Standards, B. Bureau of Indian Standardization, C. Bureau of Indian Standards, D. Bureau of International Storage. Correct answer C. Bureau of Indian Standards. Question number 28. Cans used for internal pressure products such as soda or beer. Options A. Steel, B. Aluminum, C. Both A and B, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Aluminum. Question number 29. Glass is optically options A. Anisotropic, B. Isotropic, C. Both isotropic and anisotropic, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Isotropic. Question number 30. Polyethylene is a polymer of options A. Ethylene, B. Styrene, C. Vinyl, D. Methylene. Correct answer A. Ethylene. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. Unacademy has started a free test series for 10th and 12th level prelims. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th and 12th level prelims exam to be held in 2021. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.